What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Kemono Party not updating. So if you're having trouble with Kemono Party not updating, not to worry, as this is a common issue. This guide will walk you through the steps to getting things working again. The first thing you'll need to do is to completely remove the old extension from your browser. This first step is to ensure no old files are interfering with the new ones. So open your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or anyone you're using. Go to the web browser's add-ons, extensions, or manage extensions section. You can usually find this in your browser's menu, often the three dots or lines at the top right or top left corner of your screen. Then locate the Kemono Party extension in the list. Click Remove or Uninstall to delete it. Step 2. Uninstall the application from your device if applicable. If you install Kemono Party as a separate application on your computer, you'll need to remove that too. So go to your device settings, whether it's Windows settings or system preferences on Mac, find Apps, Programs or Applications section, then look for the Kemono Party app in the list of uninstalled programs. Select it and click on Uninstall. Step 3. Get the latest version from the official site. Now once all the old versions are gone, you can get the fresh updated one. Visit the official Party Change site. This is crucial as it's the reliable source for updates. Look for any available update or the latest version of the extension or app on their homepage or dedicated download section. Then follow the instructions provided on their site to install the new version. Now, what can you do if all of this doesn't work still? Well, if you follow these steps and the Kemono app is not updating, the issue is likely on their end and not yours. So keep an eye on their official social media account or website for announcements. They often post updates about known issues and when they're resolved. We hope you can follow these steps to solve the problem of your Kemono Party not updating.